Good morning all of you. How are you? I hope all will be well. Today we are going to start chapter 6 whole and part fraction part 4. Today we will discuss some question related that chapter. Okay. So let's start. Yes. Our first question is circle the correct fraction representing the shading part. So beta I have taken one picture. Okay, that. And here also I have taken one picture. Okay, and here I have taken picture. Yes, I write this fraction. Suppose I write that type, I write that type, and I write that type. Okay. Here also write this, like this type. Okay. I write that type. Yes, student. I color here one part. I color here two part, suppose, and I color here three part, okay, and I color here two part. Yes, beta, listen. I have taken one triangle and I have divided into two part, okay, and I fill color in one part. So listen, I have given here three fraction. Who will tell to me which is fraction is right from this picture? In our previous lecture, I told to you color part we will write upper side, so we will say numerator, and total part we will write downside, we will say denominator. I told to you in our previous lecture. So beta, which fraction is right from this picture? Color part is 1, 1 is here, and total part is here 2, 2 is here. So which one is right? This is right. So we will circle that fraction. Okay. Second picture is I have given you. Suppose I fill color in two part and I divided into three part. Okay. I told you in our previous lecture, color part we will put upper side and total part we will put downside. So which is your correct fraction? This is your 2 upon 3 because 2 part is color. So we will write color part upper side and total part downside. So which one is right? That is right. Next is beta, here is one picture. I color here 3 part and I divide into 4 part. Listen, color part we will write upper side and total part we will write downside. Which is your correct fraction? This is your correct fraction. Okay, that. Next beta, here I fill color in 2 part, okay, and I divide into 3 part. Which is your correct fraction? This is your fraction is color 2 part, so we will write 2 part, color part upper side and total part downside. So this is your right answer. Got it, your first question? Your first question is circle the correct fraction representing the shaded part. So beta, listen, always keep things in your mind. While we are making fraction, we will put color part upper side and we will put we will put total part downside. Okay, this is your first question. And second question is saying you color to show the given fraction. Suppose I have given one picture, okay, that type, okay, and I write here 1 upon 4 and I have given here one picture, okay, and write here fraction. Okay, in this question I have given your fraction and you have to fill color in this picture. In this question I have given you fraction and you have to fill color. So do you know how many parts will you color it? We will color upper side part. So do you know upper side is your numerator is 1 So we will fill color only one part. Okay. And second I have given here, there is fraction is 7 upon 8. Do you know? Color part we will say numerator, and numerator is your 7. We will fill 7 part color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. This is your second question. Got it? Next beta, third question is write the fraction representing the shaded portion. Suppose I have given here one picture, that type, okay, and I have divided into 3 parts. Write the fraction representing the shaded part, okay. I have given here and you write fraction here. Here I have given that I fill color here and you have to write here fraction. Suppose I have given here one picture, you have to, yes beta, listen, write the fraction representing the shaded portion. I have given here picture with shaded portion. Here also given you and here also given you. First of all you have to check ki which one is your numerator and which one is your denominator. I told to you numerator is your shaded part and denominator is your total part. So yes, your shaded part is 1, 2. We will write 2 upper side and we will count all 1, 2, 3. 3 is your total part. So this is your fraction of this picture 2 upon 3. Okay. Same as it is here. First of all we will count here. How much part did you fill? 1, 2, 3. We will put 3 upper side and we will put total part downside. So what is your fraction from this picture? Your fraction is 3 upon 4. Okay. And next one is, listen, we will count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 part is color. Color part we will write always upper side and total part we will write always downside. Here 8. There is 3 questions. Do you have any doubt? No? Okay. You have to do in your notebook also that type of question. Next question is color 1/4 of ball, color 1/4 of the following set of balls. Okay, this is your fourth question. Color 1/4 of the following set of balls. Yes beta, I have taken here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 15, 16. Yes beta, color 1/4 आपको those ball I have given here के अंदर आपको 1/4 पे कलर करना है, 1/4 पे कलर करना है. Got it? तो first of all बेटा you have to write that fraction is here. Okay? Okay, अब write here of here that अब you have to write here total ball. You have to write here total ball. Yes, first of all we will count is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So we will put 16 is here. Okay, got it? Ab now we will speak table of 4 in which number we will get 16. 4 1 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 4 3 ja 12 and 4 4 ja 16. So like your answer is 4. Your answer is 4. We will fill 4 ball color in this set. That is your 1/4. Okay, that is your 1/4 from that whole ball. Okay. Now beta I have changed here Suppose I write here 1/3. Okay, I write here 1/3. So first of all, I told to you in our previous example, 1/3 we will write here. After that we will put here of. Okay, and after that we will put here total ball. 2 1 2, 2 2 4, 2 3 6, 2 4 8, 2 5 10, 2 6 12. 12 is your total ball. We will mention 12 is here. Okay. Now we will speak table of 3, in which number we will get 12. 3 1 3, 3 2 6, 3 3 9, and 3 4 12. Like your answer is 4. We will fill 4 ball here. So now in total ball of 12 balls और 1/3 is 4. 12 balls का जो 1/3 होता है बेटा कितना हुआ? 4. Okay. So I am raising again. I write here 1/2. Okay. Now again we will take here, we will write here 1/2. Okay. And we will write here of and here. Okay. Now first of all we will count all ball. 2 1 2, 2 2 4, 2 3 6, 2 4 8, 2 5 10, 2 6 12. We will write here 12. Okay. Now we will speak table of 2, in which number we will get 12. 2 1 2, 2 2 4, 2 3 6, 2 4 8, 2 5 10, and 2 6 12. 6 12. So we will write here 6. 6 is your answer, and we will fill color only 6 ball, because 6 ball is your 1.5 from this 12 ball. Okay. 12 balls का half कितना होगा बेटा? 6 ball. So we will fill here 6 ball color. Got it? Question number 3. Sorry, question number 4. Understand? So that becha, this 4 question you have to write in your notebook with good handwriting, and you have to do practice also in your rough notebook. Okay beta, thank you and have a nice day.